In today's video, we will learn how to make carrot oil for skin brightening. You know the glow that'll make you hear compliments like OMG, how do you get your skin so good? Well, yes. Carrot oil could be the answer. Having acne itself is a nightmare, but the acne scarring after your acne clears can be even worse. This is because it takes more time and effort to remove your scarring. Luckily for you, carrot oil can speed up this process and clear up your acne scars. So let's start the method. Stay tuned till the end of the video. We will take 7 to 8 carrots or 1 kilogram carrot and wash them properly. Since it's carrot season here, I will use 1 kilogram carrot to dry it and store it in a container for later use. You can also use 2 to 3 carrot for this recipe. Peel the outer skin of carrot and grate it. Beta-carotene and carotenoids contained in carrots protect the skin against UVA rays and also remove suntan. We have finished grating the carrot. Now we shall spread the shredded carrot in tray and leave it to dry. We will dry in shady place and not directly under the sun. These fight skin damage, reduce dark spots, and holistically improve your skin health. I have placed them near the window in an airy place. We need to dry it properly, so there is no moisture left out in it. Since we can store this for long time, make sure it's dried completely. I have taken 2 days to completely dry the carrot. You can see there is no moisture in it. It's completely dried. If you regularly apply carrot oil, you'll be transferring all these vitamins directly to your skin. Of course, it's not instant. That would be dreamy, wouldn't it? But after time, carrot oil is perfect for helping with the look fading scars over time. Now we shall take this dried carrot in a mixer grinder and grind it. We have grind dry carrot into fine powder. Now we shall store in the container and use it when it's required. Take 3 teaspoons of carrot powder in a container. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos for more useful content. Now we will take 6 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to infuse carrot powder. We are using grapeseed oil because it's lightweight. All that comes back with nutrients, essential acids, and antioxidants. It is extracted from the seeds present in grapefruits and is a key ingredient in most hair and skin care products. Grapeseed oil reduces acne on skin. Now we will take 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil. It is best known for removing pigmentation and scars. Now add 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. I am using 1/4 of spoon here, so I am adding 4 times. Avocado oil are for matured skin above 25 years of age. If you have too oily skin, especially for teenagers, avoid this step. Avocado oil is a powerhouse for all your skin problems. Avocados are natural biotin, collagen production source. Please check the link on the video above or description below to know the method of making it at home. Stir oil and cover it with lid. Now let us leave the oil with carrot powder to infuse for a week. Keep it in a dry place, no sunbath required. You can keep stirring once a day for a week. After a week, the oil is completely infused with carrot goodness. If you want to store for some more time, then there is no harm in it. Now we shall strain the oil using strainer with a muslin cloth. Transfer the oil to a jar and store it in a room temperature. You need not throw the carrot powder, but use this as a scrubber on face and leave it for half an hour and wash your face. You can instantly see the brightness on your face. Massage this oil every day on your skin during night routine. You will feel the difference. Please do try making and using this carrot oil and share your experience in comment below. In my upcoming video, I will share about how to make potato starch for face cream. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like the video, please do subscribe and like the video for more useful content.